Kiracofe Homes has something new if you're ready to start the new year in a new home. This new construction, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, split concept ranch awaits. Located in the Bridgewater North Villas, this beautiful home is in the ideal location. This home utilizes the popular Sawyer III floor plan, which offers 2,218 square feet of living space and an open concept layout that is spacious throughout the foyer, kitchen, and dining room. The living room features a gas log fireplace and cathedral ceilings that further open up the space. The kitchen is fitted with stunning quartz countertops, ceramic backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The master suite has a window seat overlooking the backyard and an ensuite bathroom complete with a custom walk-in shower, double bowl vanity, and walk-in closet with access to the laundry room. A mudroom with lockers and a half bath finish off this beautiful home. But that's not all. Some other notable features include a 3-car attached garage and a covered and open patio with gas line. Call Emily Ganshorn and learn more about this home and the life in the fabulous Bridgewater North Villas.